students, today I am with your answer related with our previous video. This is the first picture and picture related with the xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem known as conductive tissue or vascular tissue because it related with the transportation of prepared food and water and mineral. Second one is the food taken by the amoeba. The process is endocytosis. In the process of endocytosis, amoeba consume or use some energy. So this is also known as active transportation. Here this picture most abundantly present on the leaf surface and related with the exchange of gases and transpiration. So this picture is known as stomata. Next, where increase the number of branches and use the term node and internode. That means here the name of tissue is the intercalary meristem, which are responsible for the increasing the number of branches. And next, those tissue are present on the surface or tips of the plant and responsible for the increasing the height of plant. This tissue is apical meristems. Okay, once again you have some another picture regarding the animal tissue. You have again identify the picture and write about it. You can see two distinct color, and one is the base where number of tall pillar like cells are situated. Question will be, what is the name where all tall and pillar like cells are situated, and also the name for such group of cells and where it is most abundantly present in the human body or animal body. Next one is you can see the number of hair-like projection present on the surface of cell. What is the name for such type of structure present on the surface of cells, and what is the name of such group of cells? And this tissue is most abundantly occur in which part of the human body? Next one is you can see the picture of blood. You have 3 questions. Question number 1. Blood is explained which type of tissue, and in this tissue what is the main content? This is the question number 1. Question number 2. What is the nature of matrix in blood? And third one is what are the main function of the blood? You can see the picture, your all answer related with this picture. Okay, now I explain one by one answer of this question. Here, blood is the example of connective tissue. Its matrix is known as plasma and it is fluid-like. And function, you can see it is the transport the hormones, proteins, waste material which is generated in the cell and also related with the gaseous exchange. This is the function of blood. Our next question is the hair-like projection name for cilia. It is present on the long pillar-like cell, so it is known as ciliated columnar epithelium. It is mostly occur in our respiratory tract. Next one is again the blue or base layer is called basement membrane and the cell will be columnar epithelium and it is most abundantly present on the surface of small intestine. I think you all enjoy this video. Thank you and God bless you.